Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Millennial Money. In today's video, I want to talk about whether investing is for you. Now, the first thing to think about is why you want to invest. Now, is it for a reason such as maybe you want to save for the future, you may be wanting to buy a house, maybe it's retirement. The one thing you want to make sure it's not is because you've had a conversation with somebody down the pub about the latest investment opportunity. You don't want to be speculating your money. So think of things like Bitcoin when we had the bubble many years ago. Now, if you know the reason why you might want to invest, then you might want to be trying to earn more money than you get on cash. And that will start to mean investing in things like equities and bonds, the stuff I've talked about in previous videos. Now, the people that investing is definitely not for are people who have high levels of debt. So if you have debt, there's no point investing because you'll be paying essentially to invest because of the cost of the interest on those debts. So what you want to do is pay off those debts. The other thing you need to have is a cash buffer. So some money in case of emergencies in your life, say you're made unemployed. If you have those things in place, then you can move on to investing. And also if you can accept the level of risk, the idea that you may lose some of your capital. If you don't like that idea, then you are better off sticking to savings. Now, the first port of call when it comes to investing is usually going to be something like a stocks and shares ISA, could be a lifetime ISA. And if you're saving for retirement, then normally a pension is the best way to get started. And I'm going to cover the difference between an ISA and pension in the next video, and then you can think which one you might want to start investing through. So thanks for watching Millennial Money this week. You can follow us on Instagram, you can find us on Facebook, but more importantly, make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube.